The rise of affiliate marketing in the digital age. Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets behind why affiliate marketing is dominating the digital landscape in the 21st century. In this video, we will delve into expert insights and strategies to help you maximize your online earnings through affiliate marketing. To an expert in a sleek office setting, confidently sharing insights. Expert. Affiliate marketing has revolutionized the way businesses promote their products and services online. By partnering with affiliates, companies can reach a larger audience and drive sales more effectively than traditional marketing methods. With text overlay, why affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing works because it leverages the power of trusted relationships. When an affiliate promotes a product or service to their audience, it carries more weight than a generic advertisement. This trust can lead to higher conversion rates and increased revenue for both the affiliate and company. Cut to a montage of successful affiliate marketers sharing their strategies. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to understand your audience and provide value through your content. By creating high-quality and engaging content, you can build credibility and trust with your audience, making them more likely to purchase through your affiliate links. Expert sharing a proven strategy. Expert. One effective strategy in affiliate marketing is to focus on niche products or services that align with your audience's interests. By targeting a specific niche, you can establish yourself as an authority in that space and attract a loyal following that is more likely to convert. With text overlay, maximizing your online earnings. Maximizing your online earnings through affiliate marketing requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to adapt to changing trends. By staying informed about industry developments and continuously refining your strategies, you can maximize your earning potential and achieve financial freedom. Closing shot of a laptop displaying a dashboard of affiliate marketing metrics. In conclusion, affiliate marketing offers a lucrative opportunity for individuals to earn a passive income online. By following expert insights and implementing proven strategies, you can unlock the secrets of affiliate marketing and dominate the digital landscape in the 21st century. End screen with a call to action to like, share, and subscribe for more expert insights on affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert insights and strategies to help you maximize your online earnings through affiliate marketing. See you in the next video.